How to activate Tesco Bank credit card online. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open up any web browser. Now on the search bar, head over to tescobank.com. Once you're on this page, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. If you are new to this, tap on the register option. If you already have an account, tap on the login option. Now on this page, you will first have to enter your username. If you want your username to be remembered, check the box that says remember username. In case you have forgotten your username, tap on the option of I have forgotten my username. Here, you will have to enter details such as your first name, surname, postcode, and date of birth. Tap on the next option. From there, you will be able to retrieve your username. Now tap on the login option. After that, you will have to enter your password. Once your details have been verified, you will be successfully logged into your account. Once logged in, navigate to credit card section and look for the option of activate your card. You will need to enter your credit card number, expiration date, and possibly other details such as your date of birth or any other personal information. Then you will have to set up or confirm security details such as PIN or password. Once your card has been activated, you will receive an email confirming that your card is ready to use. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.